Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is a Glock 44. So basically this one is a 22 LR. Very nice gun, very accurate, and it's a Glock. I'm gonna show you guys the trigger pull and the trigger reset. Very nice gun, very light, awesome. So it's completely unloaded, no ammo, no magazine. Okay, so basically this is the trigger. Okay, so it's basically ready to go. So this is the trigger pull. Very quick, very nice, very smooth. Trigger reset. There you go. It is ready to be engaged again. So there you go. Very nice gun, very light, very accurate, awesome. It is a Glock.